Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to transform this ordinary room into a magical, wonderful and some fancy light. If you are looking to add a touch of glamour and coziness to your space, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to decorate your room with fancy light. From choosing the right light to creative placement ideas. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our home decor tips. Choosing the right lights. First thing, let's talk about the types of fancy light you can choose from. These are fairy lights, string lights, LED strips, and so much more. Each type has its unique charm and use. Explain factor to consider when choosing the light, so as color, length and power secure. Consider the color scheme of your room, the length of the light you need, and whether you want battery powered or plug-in light. These factors will help you make the right choice. Planning your design. Now that you have your light, it's time to plan your design. Think about the mood you want to create and how the light will fit into that vision. Share tips on sketching out a design or layout beforehand. I will recommend sketching your design on paper or using a design app. These will help you visualize how the light will look in your room and avoid any mistake during installation. How installation? Let's get hand on. I will show you how to install these fancy lights to create a beautiful ambience in your room. Provide safety tips and guidance on securing the light. Remember to use clip, adhesive hook or other appropriate method to secure the light safely. We don't want to any accident. Now that your lights are up, let's explore some creative way to make your room truly unique. We can create a canopy effect, highlight wall art, or even spell out word with the lights. Offer suggestion for different room style. Cozy, romantic, festive. Discuss any final touch or accessories that complement the light. To complete the look, you can add some decorate pillow, curtain, or even some indoor plant. These little additions can enhance the overall atmosphere. Share any additional tips or troubleshooting advice. There are you have it. Walk with the right light, a well thought out design and a touch of creativity, you can transform your room into a cozy heaven. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with your friend who might be looking for some room decor inspiration. I had loved to hear about your own room decor project or any question you have. May leave them in the comment below and I will be sure to respond. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.